Hello guys, so here is a 2005 Freightliner. The engine is MB901. This thing is just cranking and it won't start. So right now I do find out is the box track. I did find out that the fuel pump, yeah, it's not good anymore. So it's hiding down there. Let me show you. It's very hiding inside down there. So right there. See it? Let me put my screwdriver in down there. So it's right. See here? See here? See here? Yeah, this is it. It got damaged. That's why you won't do his work. You won't pump any fuel. So right now I'm about to replace it. I got a new one from the dealer. The dealer in northwest than Washington State. So that's what we're trying to do right now. So once I got it right, I'll keep you posted. I think I will shoot another video for that. All right. So yeah, it is, man. So you got stock, get run the business. So box stock business. Ah man, it's not easy. Yeah. All right, so let's get it done. Then we'll reach out back to you. All right, thank you. Thank you, man. It's not easy.